Hello gems, my name is T. Welcome back to Gem City Budgets. And today's video is my Grow with Grace binder day, where I have $100 in prop money and some saving challenges that it's going to take me throughout the year to complete. So we have this say 2026 and 2026, where I am saving for taxes for next year. So let's get started. Where is my color dye? Here it is. We are going to red. Ooh, we got 29, 24, 23, 28. This one got a lot of high ones. Let's go ahead and do the 23. Should I do the 23 or should I just go ahead and knock out the 29? Let's go ahead and do the 29. Ooh, that coloring was a little out the box. All right, we are going to do 29, 25, 6, 7, 8, 9. 25, 6, 7, 8, 9. So $29 is going into this one. Next is vacation. And let's do I don't know. I should have did this beforehand so I know exactly. Should we just do 13 and 9? Or should I just do this 18? Let's do this 18. Let's do 18. And this 2 for 20. Let's do that. $20. 10, 15, 20. And this is created by Mint Dough. Say it's $1,200, but I said I'm gonna pull this. Is it? Do I got one more week, or this is the week? I think I got maybe one more week, and then I'm gonna pull that. Let's see how much we save. That's for vacation. Next we got, I'm gonna call this one celebration, maybe, even though I need to change the envelope. Maybe this is just gonna be like a buffer for everything. So this is Snow Garner 307, say 65 plus. So let's go. Ooh, I don't know. Let's go here, and that is an 8. So we'll stop right there. So 8. 5, 6, 7, and 8. Because I'm scared there's going to be a times 2. Because it's a, what I say? It's a, say, 65 plus. So next we have month ahead. And this is created by Champagne's Corner. And let's get 2 dies here. And a marker. Let's go 1 and 1. Ooh, $10. Okay. Let's go one more time. 4 and 1. 4 and 1 is done. 1 and 4 is done. 6 and 3. 3 and 6. Okay. 5 and 2. Okay, perfect. We haven't did that one. And that is $3. And we'll stop there. 1, 2, 3. So that is $13 going into month ahead. Created by Champagne's Corner. Next is emergency funds. Perfect. And emergency funds. This one is the Giant Ant Savings. Saves $1,200 plus. Created by Budgeting Introvert. We finished this page. This page. We working on this page, which is $100. We finished this page for $60. And we are working on this page. Oh, I need my colored die for this one too. And okay, let's go. Yellow. Yellow is here, and yellow is $6. 5 and 6. Let's go again. Green. We don't. Do we have a green? I'm gonna say this one is like a green. I'm gonna put a G here for green. And what I say? $7. So 5, 6, 7. So that is $10, $11, $12, $13. And then we always have to go and color in the ice cream cone. I should did that first. Or no, last, so it can dry. So we put our $5 in here, and let's do, oh, we shouldn't do another green one. Let's do this one. A little raspberry ice cream cone. And let's color the cone in. Perfect. All right. Oh, no, I didn't want to close it. Oh, dear. There we go. Let that dry. It dries really quick, so this one is $5, $10, $15, $16, $17, $18. And next is the most basic saving challenge. And this book is created by Beautifully Me and You here on YouTube. This can be found on Amazon. It says $15K. And this is going towards student loans. So we got 10, 11, 12. Should I just go ahead and put the 12 in here? Should I do just the 10? I'm just gonna put the 12. Let's put the 12 in here. So let's do 8, 8, 3, and 1. Yeah, let's do that. Let's get some of these 8s out the way. And this page saves $100. This be the third $100 I'm working on. For these darn student loans. It's something I just need to get serious about. Since I'm paying all my credit card debt off, I need to get real serious about these student loans. So that was that one. So we got to do these two. So let's do, which is it, this one? And then we can do, I'm gonna do orange here. So let's do this color here. Did you guys do anything this weekend? How's your weekend? This weekend was really chill. Just trying to get ready for vacation. Oh, should I do this 3? No, I'll do this 3. Because we are, I don't know, did I tell you guys we decided to we're going to do a road trip? This is our first road trip that we're traveling more than 8 hours. We are going from Ohio to Florida. I'm kind of excited. I love road trips. I like to eat the snacks, listen to some music, chill out, and take naps. All right, gems. That is it. That was, $10, $11, $12 put into the most basic saving challenge book. And we're almost done with this next $100. And then we'll just go back to the front and start with the circles again for $105. So we'll do those 105. So proud of the progress with that. And let's put that in there. All right, gems, that is it. That was $100 put into my Grow with Grace binder. Thank you everyone for your love and support. If you want to continue to follow me on this financial journey, please subscribe to the channel. Please, please, please. And share with a friend if you already subscribed. And remember, give yourself some grace. Bye, gems.